This is our EMK 20-inch electric bicycle from boomMoto. Fun little electric bike, get around town, use the Pathfinder, all sorts of fun stuff like that. The question we get the most is, what's the range? Well, let's find out. My starting off point, Johnstone Park, Pathfinder, heading out to the duck pond. Let's see if I can make it. So I made it all the way to Joanne Park, cruising, stopping a few times, of course, to get the videos, but I'm only one bar down. So this is going to be one of those situations where I'm going to probably have to quit before the battery quits, because I just will run out of time. So I'll do my best though. Minutes and 8 miles into my ride, I've just now lost the second bar, so that kind of puts it at the halfway mark, but it also kind of fluctuates going how fast I go. If I'm going downhill, the battery again gets more charge. So the hard ride was this way. Let's see if I get double the distance going the other way. Back at Johnstone Park, the odometer says 13.1 miles, 2 bars left. So I'm gonna go around the park as many times as I can to see if I can get this down under 2 bars. Woo! Been on the bike now for about 2 hours. I've gone over 20 miles. It's still got 2 bars left. I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna do one last ditch effort of just going as fast as I can around the parking lot as many times as possible, see if I can get it to 1 bar. If I can't, I'm just gonna have to call it a day. Finally, went to 1 bar. Of course, when I parked, it went to 2 bars, but whatever. I'm gonna count it. I'm gonna get back to the office. But 2 hours, 20 miles an hour on average. Johnstone Park, all the way to Duck Pond and back, and then around downtown as long as I could go, and spinning around here just to get it to 1 bar. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good range.